Close the door. Goodbye. So, wanted to update a few things. The governor, with his stay-home order, did move the day back for us returning a day. So I believe it just changes it to one more day. Just kind of check that out. Just wanted to give you guys a little idea. We did a live stream, talked about a few things, not a big deal, but I'm going to be posting the review for the unit exam underneath in the comment section below, as well as a link to the PFET activity with the gas laws. That was the tutorial you guys worked on, where you kind of were figuring out all the activities and graphs. So it's really going to be a lot down at the bottom. I am going to be transitioning to solutions as the new unit for next week. And I don't know if videos are happening this weekend right now. Just with me trying to go home really quickly tomorrow before the stay-at-home order, make sure my mom's good, and kind of go from there. But did want to at least end this with a little bit of a story. There was a boy, but like most boys, in school, there was something that was a little bit weird. This boy had really big ears. And naturally, as you can imagine, well, you got to cover those ears, so he wore a big hat. And from wearing a really, really big hat, he still had his ears grow through the hat, and in doing so, changed him into a donkey. That's really all I have for you today. So, yeah, enjoy.